What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create your own WhatsApp channel. So let's get right into it. Go ahead and click on your WhatsApp. Once you click on it, wait for it to open up. Once it opens up, it's gonna open up in chat. So you need to move over to update. So go ahead and click on update. Now once you move over to update, you're gonna see your status, then channel. Click on that plus button right there. Once you click on that plus button, we're gonna have two options, which is create channel and find a channel. So you can also find any channel that you know about has been created. But let's go ahead and click on create. Once you click on create, these options appear and it says create a channel to reach unlimited followers. Now let's come down and check some of these messages here. It says number one says anyone can discover your channel. That means that channels are public, so anyone can find them and see 30 days of history. That means that after 30 days, anything you posted will be erased. So new members, as long as you keep uploading new content, new followers can see what you have posted and also follow you. That means if you have videos, pictures, text, or links to videos, they can see it and they can go ahead and interact with it. Now we also have people see your channel, not you. Your channel number, profile pictures, and name aren't shown to followers. That means that your phone number, profile picture will not appear in the channel. People won't see that. That gives you some privacy, so no one can just take your number and start calling you. Now coming down, it says you are responsible for your channel. Your channel needs to follow our guidelines and is reviewed against them. So which means you need to know the rules that you need to follow. WhatsApp have rules. You cannot post any content in your channel. So you might want to go ahead and click on that link and know what is acceptable in WhatsApp channel. Now let's move on by clicking continue. So go ahead and click on continue. So now the page has loaded. We're going to see place to put our profile picture, channel name, and description. The first thing we're going to do is let's go ahead and work on the profile picture. So go ahead and click on that camera icon right there. Go ahead and click on it. Now after clicking on it, we're going to see 4 options. Number 1 says camera, we have gallery, that's number 2, and number 3 is emoji and stickers. Then we also have search the web. Now those are the options of where you can get pictures that you can use as your profile picture. You can either take the picture or take a picture from your phone in the gallery. But I'm going to show you how you can use the search the web. So let's go ahead and click on that option. So once you click on it, we'll be taken to another page. This page right here. We're going to come to the search bar up here and type in. So let me see what I'm going to look for. I'm going to look for Mickey Mouse. Yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and type it in. Mickey. Okay. Then a Y. Then mouse. Then after typing it, I'm going to click on this magnifying glass down there, the blue icon. So this is it. It's loading. Wow, I really do like the color. And these are the options. Look at it. This really looks really nice, and I can use any of these as my profile picture. This really nice. Now I'm gonna change it. Let me see if I can look for a character like Batman. So let me type that in, Batman. And whoa, I think it took some of this from a movie. Look at a photo shoot. Seriously, I really do like this. This is really nice. Now look at the shape of the pictures. They're just perfect for a profile pictures, and the background too. It's not too busy. So I'm going to choose this one right there. Yep. I'm just going to choose the cartoon Batman. I like it. Looks cute. Look at him. Looking all Batman-y. Okay. So now if you come down here, you're going to see it says image may be subject to copyright. So you might want to go through the terms of service so that you're not using an image that has a copyright on it, so that someone doesn't come after you asking for some money. Okay, so now if you look at the center, you see that icon. That is to rotate the picture if you want to change the way it looks, the way the picture looks exactly. So you can just turn it around. If you click it again, and that's it. So I'm going to click on done right there. As we're clicking on done, I have saved my picture. I'm going to come back again and click on the camera, then come over to emoji and sticker. So these are my stickers. These stickers have been on my phone already downloaded, so that's why they're showing now. But let's come over to emoji. Now these are the emojis that I can use, and there are a lot. Seriously, I can use all these as my profile pictures. Now one thing I want to try is, let's come over to this plus button right here, click on it. Once you click on it, we're going to see another set of stickers that we can download. Yeah, there are more options, seriously. So we have survivor, we have zodiac, we have rabbits, we have books, seriously. And you can just download them by clicking on this green arrow going down. Now I've clicked on one of the stickers, so look at them, and they're so light. That's 3.9 MB. That's light, seriously. And I do like these ones, they look really pretty. Now I can also create my own avatar by clicking here. So you can go ahead and just create an avatar, customize it. I already have a video on this, how to create your avatar, on my channel, so just go ahead and check it out. Now once you click on that create avatar, you'll be taken to this page, but we're not going to do that right now again. So let's go back and let's move out of this side again. Okay, so this place, it says my stickers. So stickers you downloaded will show there, and if you want to use this as your profile picture, you can just go ahead and click on that pass mark icon over there on the top. And after clicking on that, it will be saved. Now we also have this magnifying glass right here, so let's go ahead and click on it. Yep, this one right here. Once you click on it, we can also use this to search for stickers. So let's check for a Batman stickers if that is available. Nope, no, it's not available. So we don't have a Batman stickers, but we do have a flying dog. Seriously. We have a hero and that guy. So let's go back from here. Let's go back, and the next thing we need to check is, let's see if that's a Tom. Nope, doesn't have a Tom. Oh, I really do love Tom and Jerry. Nope, we don't have a Tom. So let's go away from this side, but this current ones showing right here are the ones I already have on my phone. So I'm going to click on that arrow back, and yeah, I am. So next thing, I'm going to put in the name of the channel. Thinking of it, I'm just going to put my name. So I'm just going to use Michael, then E Tech. Yep. The next thing I need to come into is the description. Description is basically telling people what your channel is about. So I already have something already, so I'm just going to post that there. So if you want to write your own description, I think depending on what your channel is about, if it's about cooking, videos, editing, or tech, you should basically just write something about it, telling people, okay, this is what my channel does, and this is the content you're going to see here. Seriously. And this is it. And you have also an option to write up to 1,864 characters. So click on create channel. Yep. So that's a lot of text you can write. And that is it. We have successfully created a channel. Now, when I have two options, how we can share it to let people know that we have a channel. One, we can share to my status. We can put it on our status so the people are aware and they can follow us from there. So let me go ahead and click on it. Let me show you how it will look like when you post it on your status. So go ahead and click on that. Okay, so this is it. So I'm just gonna wait a bit for the picture to appear. Yeah, that is it. I like this, but I want to change the background color. So let me come up here and click on the color, background color. Nope, not this. Maybe something much thicker, blue. Yes, this. So I can also add text if I want to, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. So now I'm gonna come down and click send, and after clicking that, that's it. So now people on your status can know that you have a channel. You can also share the channel link. You can share the channel links into groups. If you have a group, you can share it there, or you could just share to your friends. If not, you can also share to Facebook, maybe Twitter, or any other place to let people know that, hey, you're around. Okay, so click on the three dots. Once you click on the three dots, you're going to see channel info and share. Now, let's come down to this icon right here. Once we click on it, we're going to see two options. One is camera and the other is gallery. So you can either take a picture or take one from your phone already. Then you also click on the picture icon. Right here, you can go ahead and take a picture if you want to, but this doesn't look that good. So let's move on from there. Now let's come up to the name of the channel. Once you click on it, we'll be taken to another page again. Now this page has more information, and even the delete button, how to delete the full channel, is right there. So this is it right now. This now shows us the number of followers, which we have 0 right now. Then we have share. We can choose to share the link of the channel to any social media. So right here you can see different options. We have Facebook. We can also forward it to a group or to a friend on WhatsApp. So this is it right here. This is the option. So these are my contact and the groups. So right here it says public channel. So let's go ahead and click on that. So once it's a channel, it opens up. You can see it says about this channel. Anyone can discover this channel. Basically the same information we saw when we we're creating it. So let's move on from that. Let's come down to channel settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see two options. One says any emoji, other one says default only. Now this means this default only says that you can only use this emoji here showing, and the any emoji says that you can use any of the emoji. So you can choose if people can use any of the emoji or just specific emoji. Now let's go ahead and scroll down where we can see delete the channel. So after that, let's come up here to the three dots. Yep. So that is how you can delete the channel if you want to delete it. I'm also going to show you a video how you can do that in another video. I'm going to show you can do that, how you can delete your WhatsApp channel if you choose to delete it. But let's come over to the three dots. Now click on it. Once you click on it, we're going to have another options that says edit. Now this is how you can edit your name, your channel name, your description, and also your profile picture. So that is how you can edit them. Now go ahead and click on save. So to save this, now after clicking on save, and it will take us back to this page. Now let's go back, and that is it, guys. That is how you can create a WhatsApp channel. Thanks for watching this video. Go ahead and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.